Hi everyone, my name is Anne and I'm the Digital Initiatives and Resources Librarian here at PARC. And today I want to talk about limiting your search results. So when you're conducting research through PARC University Library, there's a couple of different ways you can limit the results to find the ones that are most relevant and helpful. So you can start on the PARC University Library homepage. And most of the time, it's best to start with Pirate Search. It's right here on the homepage. This is our discovery search, which is going to search almost all of the databases that we have access to all at once. So you can type in a term like, for example, career development and hit search. And this is really helpful because it's going to search everything at once, but it's a little unhelpful because it comes up with an overwhelming number of results most of the time. So with our search of career development, that generated over 12 million results, which is a lot to sift through. So let's go through how you can limit these results. You'll see here on the left-hand sidebar, there's a box that says limit to, and then there's three options. So if you click limit to full text, that's going to limit your results to only resources that we have access to the full text of the article, rather than, for example, just an abstract. If you limit to scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, this is going to limit to resources that have been reviewed by a jury of its peers, so a group of scholars that are experts in that field, who have affirmed that that article or book or piece of content is good to go. You can also limit to catalog only if you only want to see books that PARC University actually owns and has in our collection. Now, these are only three limiting options. You can also click this button that says Advanced Search, and you'll find more ways to limit. So we still have our search term, career development, but if you scroll down to where it says limit your results, you'll be able to see a few more options. So for example, you can limit to a particular publication date range if you only want to see articles that were published, for instance, within the last 5 years. You can limit to a publication language, and you can even limit to a specific author or journal name or title. If you have any questions, you can always contact the library and we'll be happy to conduct a reference interview with you where we can go through this in more detail.